So this is a review of a coffee temper. Brand name is pretty funny. It's called Heihox. Heihox. And this is a 58 millimeter coffee temper. Okay, it's the height is 90 millimeter. It's designed for any portafilter that's about 58 millimeters in size, which is standard size for portafilter double shot. Okay, so I bought it on Amazon, only $16.99 plus tax. And the reason I bought this, I'm gonna show you right now, is because it's got a beautiful wooden handle. And that is the reason I bought the Heihox 58 millimeter coffee temper. It's even got a little nice laser engraving on the top. So they said this is beech wood. Maybe it is. I'm not sure, but it's not a very high density wood because um, let's see, because the top part is very light. So, and again, I forgot to mention the bottom is stainless steel, full casting stainless steel. So really nice, really good looking coffee temper for only $16.99 plus tax on Amazon. We're gonna try to temper some coffee and find out how well it works. But first, I need to wash it first because I just took it out and nothing else in the box. It's pretty simply packed. Okay. The only part I'm gonna wash is the bottom, the stainless steel part, because the top is wood and it's better if you leave the wood alone. So again, as I mentioned, actually very light. Take a look at the texture of the wood. So the exterior is it's kind of stained with a glossy coating, and over here it exposes the interior, and here is the little thread. This is steel. This is definitely steel, and they used some sort of grease that kind of smells funky. So I would say probably wash this part too and just grease it with food safety grease, just to be safe. Yeah. So I'm gonna wash both then, and I'm gonna grease it with just some oil. And the bottom part, stainless steel. Hopefully, let's test it really quick. So I have a thermostat. Let's just use the little magnet on the back. Yep, it's real stainless steel because it doesn't. It's not magnetic. Okay, so better quality stainless steel, probably 1810 stainless steel. Um, that is nice, and it's very heavy. So I'm not sure if it's entirely made of stainless steel or just the exterior, but at least from the magnet test, it's not picking up the magnets. So I would say part of it, or at least the exterior part, is stainless steel. So that is good to know. And it definitely doesn't look like aluminum because aluminum have a different kind of a cast or look to it. All right. Just watched it. Actually, it looks really good. Again, I can't stop looking at the thing. It actually looks beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it aside. I already preheated my espresso machine, and now we're gonna make some really low quality coffee. Okay, it's pre-grounded, actually pretty coarse grind um, decaf, since we are really late at night. And the portafilter I'm using is actually, again, pressurized double shot portafilter. Okay, so not the best kind, not the best quality coffee, but I just really want to test out how the portafilter works because I've been using the old um, Gaja portafilter, which is literally just crap and sticks to the coffee grinds, and the static is horrible. So this is definitely a nice upgrade for $16. Okay, so let's just get, let's see, about 40 mils of pre-ground decaf coffee, and we're gonna temper this. I'm not even gonna use scale since it's pre-grounded. It's kind of dark. I'm sorry, guys. Let's try to do it here. A little bit lighter. Alright, let's give it a try. Actually fits really good. Wow, not bad. So it's got a heft to it, and when I press down, obviously it's wet, so it's picking up coffee. I'm sorry. I just washed it and I didn't fully dry it. Um, and I would say this is a horrible demo, but it definitely feels really nice in the hand. So, you know, as soon as I wipe it, it's doing a very good job. Look at that. Beautiful. And let's just make a quick decaf. Get my shot glass. Really nice glass. It's actually used for shots, but why not use it for espresso? We're gonna get about 2 ounces and then we're gonna stop. Again, this is it's not timed or anything since it's pressurized. Later on, I'm gonna do some videos on how to actually dial in your beans, your whole beans, and make real espressos. But for now, the decaf, pre-grounded coffee, very coarse grind, using a pressurized portafilter actually works perfectly fine. Got some crema, fake crema, but it is crema. And the whole reason is to test this Tamper. It actually works great. I really like the feel of the Tamper because it's very bottom heavy. So actually when you drop it in, it actually just really nicely kind of just sits in there and do its job. So if you guys ask me, yeah, best $17 Tamper you can get that have an actual real wood handle. That's beautiful. I'm impressed. So if you guys are interested, I'll post the link down below on where to get this Tamper. If you're still using the super crappy Gaja classic Tamper, it's about time to change, and this will be the best $16, $17 you'll ever spend. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please do hit the like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.